Welcome back to the Techie CV tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the precedence of parameters over variables. Here I have created a job which will load a file to a table. File is pipe delimited. So if you click on get file names, I have a variable folder path values c/ELT jobs files. Right? So this variable is present in kettle.properties. Right, so there I have set the value as well. So if you want to understand how to load a pipe delimited file to a table using variables and wildcard, you can watch my previous videos and the link is mentioned in the description as well. Right, so if I go to the database, I already have two records. Right, let me truncate this table. Right, and if I go to Pentaho again, the file name starts with pipe, right? So I'll go to that folder. I have this file, right? Let me open with notepad. So I have two records, one Rishabh, two Manav, right? So let me run this job. Before that, I want to show you something. If I go to properties in parameters, I have not defined any parameter as of now, right? So let me run this job. It is completed successfully. Now if you go here, I have two records. Now what I want to showcase is, if I go to properties, I'll create a parameter with same name, right? This variable is also present in kettle.properties as well. Now here I'll set this path which is different from the path which is there in kettle.properties, right? Click OK. And I want to showcase you what exactly is present here. Values are same but IDs are different. 3 Rishabh, 4 Manav, right? So I'll save this. Now if I go to properties, I have one parameter whose name is same which is defined in kettle.properties also, right? So if I'll run this, it is completed successfully, right? So check this. So what you learn from this, if I have a variable which is mentioned in parameters and that variable is present in kettle.properties as well, the parameter value has highest or higher precedence over variable value, right? Hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe it to my channel. Thank you very much.